My client invested $0 and ended up making $100,000 in just 8 years. So let's just go over this a little bit. So they buy this house, no money down. Great program, USDA loan, no money down. They live in that home over 8 years. They get a mortgage of 100% on this property. Over the 8 years, they paid some of that down. Now they're turning around and selling this home. They're getting a check at closing for $100,000. Well, you might say, well, Tim, what about the mortgage payment? They had to pay that mortgage. Well, you know what? You always have either rent or a mortgage payment. In this case, their mortgage payment was about $500 a month less than it would have been if they rented the exact same property, maybe even more, and it would have increased over the years. But in this case, it stayed consistent, and they actually paid down their mortgage a little bit. They ended up with that check for $100,000. Well, what about the maintenance on the home? Over the course of that 8 years, they spent $20,000 putting a new roof on, windows, painting, just different things, right? They got a home equity line of credit. Again, $0 out of pocket. This was factored into the closing, and they still got that $100,000. So their mortgage was paid off, the HELOC was paid off, and they still got a check for $100,000. So buying this house 8 years ago with no money out of pocket, saved them money monthly, then they turned around and got a check for $100,000. And that's why real estate is a great investment.